Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Merkava Brickware. Today I'll be bringing this Merkava Mark IV main battle tank. It contains 969 pieces if you bought the extra kit, and it's an Israeli main battle tank. So I just have to continue with my main battle tank series to finish it, of course the modern ones. Right now currently the IDF forces are using this, and the word Merkava actually means chariot or the throne of God, and hopefully it goes well both sides for Israeli and the Palestinians, and hopefully the war ends soon for both of them, and they could recover. So here's the pieces I bought through Bricklink. Because I bought some of the pieces I already had in hand, so I had to spend less money to get the rest of the pieces. And also, here's the minifig I bought. If you bought the extra kit, it comes with a female tanker, not the male tanker, but this is the Israeli tanker version 2 of it. And also the sticker pack right here. So these are mostly for the wheels that you have to put on when you do the build. So that's it. I will sort the pieces and do the build. finished build of the Merkava Mark IV. Here's one side, here's the front, here's the other side, and here's the back. The toy does rotate, but not fully 360 degrees. But I guess that's a design decision. Here's the M2HP machine gun and the M60 machine gun, which is a Bricklink item, and you could get it from Brickmania themselves. The cannon does elevate and depresses. Okay, you can fit 2 crewmen in here. When you buy the origin, if you have the origin kit, it comes with a female tanker. But this minifigure right here costs $25 if Brickmania sells out, and it's a version of the Israeli tanker. I'm gonna try to get another one like this and then put them with it. And of course you got your I guess those are smoke dispensers right there, and then it comes with the active trophy protection system. It was developed by Israel itself. And also now of course it's all stickers. If you bought the original, I'm sure all this will be prints, especially the wheels. I recommend when you when you install the wheels, put the stickers on right away, so it'll be easier that way instead of putting the stickers on later for the wheels only. The rest of it you could put it on after you finish the build. What else? The only fragile part is right here on the front, so I'm getting a replacement piece for that. And then the build was kind of difficult as the bottom hull part. I didn't realize I made some mistake in it, so I fixed the mistake while I was off camera. So I was able to build the rest of it. Of course, I have to substitute some parts, and I didn't have some like the 2x3 plates, so I had them black, but I don't have the dark blush. I ran out of the dark blush one, so I ordered those in order. And also I was missing some cheese flows, the 1x1 cheese flows. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below what you'd like to see next. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.